Hello guys, welcome to another Forex trading video. I hope you all are well and taking care of yourself. Today we will place a very good trade in US dollar versus Japanese yen. This pair is a highly profitable pair because it forms perfect uptrend and downtrend pattern, by which we can earn good profit. Okay, now I am applying for the trade. See you after some time. Guys, we have deposited $3,900 in this account. Currently we are losing a few dollars. Let's see how much we can grow this account because there is no 100% strategy in the market. Even the top traders in this world incur losses, but legend traders always follow risk management. Now let me explain you the reason why we placed the buying trade. For this we will create an uptrend channel so that we can easily understand the market trend. For this we will take a trend line which will be connected at higher low points. This trend line is acting as a support. Whenever the market comes near this trend line, it always moves upwards, hence we have a strong trend line. We will take another trend line and connect it at higher high points. This trend line is acting as a resistance. The market is moving upwards, forming an uptrend pattern inside this trend channel, which has given us a very good buying opportunity. Our entry has been at the right place. You will know this in further analysis. Now we will draw strong support resistance level, which will tell us from which level the market will reverse in future. The market has created multiple resistance points at this level, making it a strong reversal level for the market. You can see at these points that the market has taken resistance earlier. Now the market has broken this level and is moving well upwards. Here the market can create a resistance, become support pattern. High percentage chance the market will move up from here because the market is following our levels well. Just like the market is moving up quite fast after breaking the strong level, as our chances of winning this trade increase. Now we place the stop loss and target point so that we can exit the trade at the right place. My stop loss will be 14 pips below the strong support resistance level and inside the trend channel. If the market breaks below the strong level, then our setup will fail. Then we will prepare another setup, and the target point will be 28 pips above where the market will create a new higher high. If we want good profit, then we have to hold this trade till here. Guys, our profit is currently around $300. We have applied the trade here according to our risk, so that we can manage the trade well. Guys, our analysis work is complete. Now we have to stay in the trade with patience. Here all our levels are drawn perfectly, due to which our confidence is also increasing. Always place the trade with the perfect setup because many such setups are created in the market which do not have high win rate. Always wait for the right setup to be created. The market always goes sideways after a trend and then sideways after the next trend. This is the nature of the market. See you guys after some time. Till then, enjoy the video.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro. Don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions. They blocking your vision, but no you can't.
Guys, killed the market. The market is moving upwards here, forming a proper uptrend pattern. All our levels were drawn perfect, due to which we were able to reach the target level. Guys, our target point has been hit. We followed our trading rules properly. This is where psychology has to be kept strong. Only then big targets can be achieved. Never exit the trade before the stop loss or target point is hit, because with fixed target and stop loss you can follow risk management properly. Let me draw the next market pattern for you so that you can get an idea of where the market will stop and where it will move. For this I am using the rectangle tool. The market first took resistance at this level and later broke this level to form support, due to which a resistance became support pattern has been created here, which is a strong uptrend pattern. The market always moves up, forming such patterns through which we can capture good buying opportunities. Now we close the trade, our target has been achieved. Guys, we are currently making a profit of $1,500. We had deposited $3,900 in this account, which has now grown to $5,400. We followed proper risk management to grow this account. This was our high probability setup. You can see the complete playlist of this setup on this channel. If you have learned something from this video and channel, then please like and share it. See you guys in the next video. Always keep learning, keep moving forward.